Hi, my name is Safa Mogharebi. I'm an SIE from Germany, and today we want to talk about some RPC Connect features. This video will only touch on a portion of the new features available in the new RPC Connect product. To fully leverage the power of this new platform, we highly recommend that you engage with MTS training. To do this, just simply go to the MTS website, click on Services, click on Training, click on Training Courses. Scroll down, here you see all the training stuff we have, like classroom and on-site training. And down below, you will find for the beginners, for the RPC Connect beginners, the basic software operation course. Then for our Switch users, the people coming from the old RPC Pro product. And here on the right, you see the RPC Connect Advanced Software Operation course. Today we want to talk about an RPC Connect software feature in the setup stage. So I wanted to easily show you how to create a setup and how to use the drag and drop function in RPC Connect. So the video will be placed here under the setup stage tab. You just scroll down and then click on create a setup using drag and drop. Let's directly hop again into a presentation as last time. And then I want to show you how to attach and create an easy setup. So this is the overview of the new setup window in RPC Connect. I divided that window into three separate sections here. The upper section will show you how to create and attach to a station. So this is my setup name, RPC switch course. There you have the plus button to create a new setup. These two little buttons will show you how to detach and attach to the controller. And here on the right side, you see all the 793 parameters which are set, which station you connected. Here's the frequency part. So the frequency information will be shown to you guys, like the sample rate, frame size in seconds, and so on. The Nyquist, which is all important for our setup, of course. And down below, you will see different tabs here for our drive, response, channels. Here, our event actions, the initial digital output stage, the setup response analysis process, which is used for the computer channels. And you can even set an image for your setup. So today we are going to concentrate only on the drive and response nodes here, and I want to show how to use the drag and drop feature. Okay, basically we start with adding or attaching to a 793 station. So as I said, you just easily hit the plus sign, then a new window will open. You give your setup a name. In this case, you see RPC basic course. Then the controller, you connect to the controller which is currently available, your PC name, or in total or in general the local host. Hit this little symbol here, which is the attached symbol, and then that station which is available from 793 will pop up here, and you hit the OK sign. Once RPC is connected to the setup, you will see the available channels list here. In this case, we are on the drive node. You will see all available channels. And on the right side, there are the channels which you have chosen to use them in your setup. Once you mark these channels, these little icon, this so-called drag handles, will pop up. Then you can grab it with a mouse, make sure you hover over these little drag handles, and then point them from the left to the right. And in my case, you see I have 9 channels here, which will be dragged and dropped directly to the channels I want to use for the drive side. Okay, it's time for some practice. Let's hop in the software and see how it works. So this is the new RPC Connect setup stage, which we are currently seeing here. I'm detached, so I'm not connected to a 793 station. I have loaded the 793 station here down below in demo system mode. It's a 329 system. And with easily clicking on the Add New Setup button here, the new window will pop up. I just type in like website demo setup. Choose the local host as this is my computer. Hit the attach button here. Once this is done, the 793 station which I showed you will pop up. I hit OK. And now RPC Connect is going to attach to the 793 station which is available here. And once this is done, the window will divide into these two windows you saw on my presentation. Here on the left side is the available channel list. On the right side is the chosen channel list. The same is for the response side here. So I have a lot of response channels here, which I can choose from. This is the available channel list, and this is the chosen channel list. So currently we don't have anything chosen so far. In this case, I want to have the first 12 channels. And as you can see here, these little drag handles pop up. I just grab these drag handles. See, I have 12 channels here. If I release the mouse now, then all the channels I've selected will be dragged and dropped here to the right side in order to use them for my setup. Just easily hit save, and then your setup is ready to use. Okay, that's basically it, what I wanted to show you. So today we talked about creating setup using the drag and drop functionality. With that, thank you for your attention, and then see you next time.